welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new here, I am Paige Sechler. Hi. I'm glad you popped on for my little tutorial today. Okay, so I have my little like reels thing behind me, so we are going to go from there. But today I'm showing you how I do like my everyday work hair kind of thing. Not really sure how to go about this, but also my hair's dark. I don't know how many videos you've seen with my hair being dark, but it's dark again. And a lot of people think when my hair is up it's a lot longer. It's not. It's just pretty short. So I've been trying to split my hair when I do this hairstyle in the middle. It seems to work best and I like it best, minus my weird little widow's peak calic thing that I have going on. I first go in with my dry shampoo. My hair is actually only like third day, so it really doesn't need much. I honestly just do it because I don't like when my hair is super shiny at the root, which I know so many people like shiny hair. I don't. So I just do it to add a little bit of texture. Brush that back out. I clip up the top half, which I didn't used to do. So then I'm going to go in with my Lange Le Duo. Love this guy, especially with my short hair. I never use it with my long hair, so I can't speak on that, but I do like it for my short hair. So I always set it at 360 with the fan on, and then I just do a rough curl. As I get to the end, just pull it out. So you just clip it on, twist, and literally just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Once you see the end there, I just pull it down because I don't like my ends to be super curled. Literally, this is the fastest hairstyle. Like, it honestly usually only takes me like maybe 5 minutes. This is literally just such an easy tool. I do find that I can't curl it as good if the fan isn't on. So I'm sorry if this fan sound is annoying to you. It's annoying to me as well. Do you guys like my hair parted in the middle? What do we think? You can tell it's still a little like it gets fluffier on the side that used to be like it's not used to having that much hair over there. But I don't know. I feel like I kind of like it. I like it when it's styled. If it's not styled, I don't like it in the middle. But I don't know. I'm still deciding. My front pieces I do try to curl a little closer at their root, and then as it gets down, kind of fluff it. I don't know. I feel like it gives a little more volume once it's all said and done. Okay. So next I go in with texture spray. Honestly, any texture spray. This is the Healthy Hair texture spray. And then I just kind of put that around. She's intense. And then I just zhuzh it on up, piece it out. So, I mean, you could go like this if you wanted. You could keep it down if you wanted. I personally don't with the masks. It's too much for me to keep down. So I take my comb, and if you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my mirror. In this back piece, I tease this guy. Take the half, tease it. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Tease this guy. And I'm not neat with it. That's the thing. Like, the neater you are, you just care too much. And that's, we don't want that. We don't want to care. We want to be effortless. So So then I kind of take, I guess like what would be these front pieces, and just go right back around my head. Kind of take my comb, make it look neat real quick. It's gonna get worse before it gets better. Let me just throw that out there also. Like, this is not cute. And then I kind of fluff down before I even have a hair tie in. So at this point you could do a scrunchie, you could do a hair tie, you could do a bun, you could do a bobby pin, you could do a like a little clippy. Any of those would work. Today I am going to do a hair tie, I guess. And just twist that around. I don't make it super tight, but tight enough that it's not going to fall out. And then you can see I'm literally going to pull and loosen it. And then I'm going to take the front and literally pull down. I like my front pieces to be out of it. And then I pull these out. And then I'll kind of tug this to tighten, make sure my volume stays in. And that's pretty much what I do. So if there are pieces like, I don't know, I don't really know, I don't really want to, I don't need any touched up, but if you needed to, you would turn your little fan back on. Like, say I want to make this piece a little bit better. Go in, give them a good twirling, and just, whoa, freshen up as needed. I don't like mine to be super curled. So yeah, that is how I style my hair using my Le Duo, my quick 5-minute, pretty much every day for work. This is super mask friendly because then, like, even though these are down, they don't bother me as much. If you really want to, you can tuck. Not the cutest, but in my case, it's not the cutest. Yeah. So I hope this helped. I will be posting the reel that I made while I was making this on my Instagram. So if you ever need to go back and reference it, you can bookmark it on your Instagram and save it for a rainy day. But obviously this is more in detailed. Oh, and then sometimes I will spray just a little texture spray at the ends and in the back and stuff. But yeah. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tag me if you guys do this style, post an Instagram story or a picture with it, and let me know how you guys like it. So thanks for watching. Mwah! Bye, friends.